try? Yes, I know.
No, I'm good, man. I'm afraid of horses. Dangerous.
Don't be afraid. She's the beginner one. She's professional now. Ask him, brother. Ask him.
Okay, you're doing great. I'll keep an eye on you. If I get too close, I'm gonna get sprayed. So if I remember correctly, there's a couple abandoned resorts. Like you can see this thing used to be a gate entrance to a resort type area, and it's all kind of closed now. There's a couple other resorts down here I'm gonna go take a look at. So this is one of those old farm roads that goes, and we're gonna go towards the beach, and we'll drive along a dirt road on the beach. So this is that huge abandoned resort. It's got all horses and stuff there now. But I'll try and get up a little closer. Okay, so this is basically the road that goes out there. I got a crappy view of it. Dang it, okay, keep going. Okay, so you can see it there. It's basically this whole huge lot, all the way back that way. And it's a gigantic complex. It's just abandoned. There's people guarding it, and it's it's for sale or something. So there's at least maintenance guys. But there's horses and cattle and other stuff. I've always wanted to go back there, but the guards never let you go all the way in. But I think there's people living up inside of it. So this is between the main road and the beach. There's like houses and some apartment complex and condos up here. They closed off some of the roads. They're trying to find access out to the beach road that used to be able to drive out to really easy, but some of them have been blocked off, so we'll see how it goes. Alright. This is public. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, so this is like the beach access road. It comes from those condos up there, and it's kind of a little maze, but if you work it, you can find your way down to this dirt road that's right on the beach. At least it was dirt the last time I was here. There was a surfing school out here and a few other things, but actually I think they blocked off the road to the surfing school. Alright, yeah, we'll come right up here. Yeah, so you can see it. And the road. The waves in the water out here are pretty kicking. There's some kiteboards way out there. But this is like amazing beach you can just drive out to, and there's nobody here. And you can't really walk out here because of the rocks, but there's a couple little small beaches you can go out to. Like right over there, you can see there's a beach just around the corner. If I get too close, I'm gonna get sprayed. So there's a beach over there. That's where the kite school is. There's some pretty killer Oi. You can also do horse riding. Good? Good, horses.
Want me to try? Yes, I know.
No, I'm good, man. I'm afraid of horses. Dangerous.
Don't be afraid. She's the beginner one. She's professional now. Ask him, brother. Ask him.
Okay, you're doing great. I'll keep an eye on you.
Okay, this video is explain how they do it.
All right, man. Good luck. Be safe. Horses are crazy. Okay, so I'm almost positive this used to be like where the surf school was, but I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a couple years, so I think they blocked off the road and you can't actually go here anymore. Yeah, what does that mean right there? Access, illegal. But they don't want you going here anymore. But there's a lot of kiteboarders that come out here still, I think. Definitely some bigger waves. So I'm gonna go back towards the horses. I didn't want to go right behind them and scare them. It was the girl's first time. definitely not doing any horse riding. Okay, so this is where I just was taking a video. What do you call them? This is where the horses came by. This is where the road goes up to the right. That's the paved road. If you go straight, which I've done this before in a rental car, and it's a bit sketchy. The guy took the horses this way, so I'm going to go a little slower so I don't come right up on the back of that girl with her horse. But you can drive this basically most of the way into Cabarete, up into a Kite Beach area. And there's a lot more of these little beaches around through here. Let's see if they blocked any of it off. Stop to take some pictures. I think the last time I came through here it was wet, so it was really marshy and soggy. So this is actually a little bit better than the last time I drove through here. I'll pop over here real quick and take a look at it. That's where we just came. So there is a little beach over here that you can come out and hang out on. There's nobody out here usually. And that goes back around where we were. So I'm going to keep following those horses. All right, back in the car. And this is where it starts to get a bit more sketchy too. So if I run into a car, I'm probably gonna have to back up depending on the size of the car. Another little beach access out there. If it gets sandy too, I'm afraid of getting stuck on the sand, but it's not too bad this time. Got a guy out here by himself with a scooter, so we'll check that. And so another little parking spot. This, I'm not sure what they're doing here. Chopping sticks, chopping trees, kicking some wood. I'm up on the car. And I gotta get up on speed. There's a beach off to the left here. And I might be able to stop and go take a look at it. If I can find a place to pull over for a second. Oh, hell. The problem is I don't want to stop and get stuck, so I'm gonna keep going. So they're building some houses out here. And we're back up to Cabarete area. So it'll probably go back to a hardball road here. lots were for sale the last time I drove through here. Some of them have been taken and have built up, but a lot of them are still for sale. It doesn't go hardball yet. There's a road that cut up that way, and that goes up to the main road that I came in on from Sosua and Cabarete. So I'm gonna try and go all the way. This road eventually connects, if I remember correctly. This is another beach up here. You can actually drive up and park. Actually, I'm gonna try this one real quick. All right, so I parked the car there real quick. There's a few other places you can pull up there, but I mean, it's a lot of people come out here. You can see the trash. Not a lot. I mean, a few people come out. Some of the locals, some people know these places. But again, this is like a beach. This is probably just a few minutes outside of Cabarete, on the Kite Beach area. Yeah, so you can see there's a lot more kite boards over there. That's the point at the Kite Beach area, right up there. I think I walked over to that point. And you can actually walk here, I believe, from Cabarete. If you keep walking down the beach, you can come all the way this far. Yeah, there's the horses. There's the horses that we saw a little while ago. So that's the beach out there again. Again, you can, I think I've walked all the way down this beach this far. Well, I stayed in Kite Beach last time, and I walked this whole way. This is super tight. I think most people come out here on scooters, but we will take the rental car and bust a little brush. Yeah, this connects right up. Now we're right up in Kite Beach. So this road connects, this is the road that I took to go to Sosua. So we're coming right back up to it. We're running parallel along the beach. And there's, yeah, like I said, there's probably about 20 beach turnoffs up here. So if you just find this little road, if you're ever out here, right by the Fiesta Super Bowl, it's actually just past the Kite Beach area.